Hello students, today we are gonna deal with the same chapter, that is sound of class 9th. Okay, in that we are gonna start with reflection of sound. Today's topic is reflection of sound. So far we have covered with some extra questions part, isn't it? So then characteristics of sound. Among that, today we are gonna continue with reflection of sound of chapter sound. So in this chapter, in the topic reflection of sound, what does that mean? What does reflection of sound mean and how does it work? So that we are gonna study in this topic. So reflection of sound energy like light energy obeys the laws of reflection. Agree children? What happens? Sound energy like light energy obeys the law of reflection. As same it is like that. So the very first point, it is that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. What happens? Angle of incidence, say for example this is the surface, okay, say for example the angle of incident rate, okay, is for 60 degree. So what happens? The angle of reflection, okay, what happens? Reflection will be also 60 degree. So the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ angle ಮೇಲೆ, so that will be emerged on the other side with the reflection, so which is also equal with the same angle of incidence. And then second one we have written here is incident wave. Okay, incident wave, the light which we pass. Incident wave, reflected wave and normal lie on the same plane. What happens here? Incident wave will be there and the reflected wave will be there, which both normally lie on same plane. This, for example, this is the plane where incident and reflected both lies on same wave. That is the reflections of sound we have gone through with. So among these things we have some practical applications of reflection of sound. Okay, in these things we have practical applications. I have written some 3 applications. Okay, so in the very first I have written about in practical applications of reflection of sound, that is very first is megaphone or speaking tube. Okay, megaphone or speaking tube. How does that work? Why do you cup your hands? Why do you cup your hands? It is because the hands prevent the sound energy before spreading in all directions. Isn't it? We cup our hands like this. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕೂಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We cup our hands. Why is it? Because it is because the hands prevent the sound energy from spreading in all the directions. Okay, so we cup our hands. So among this, in the same way, people use horn-shaped metal tubes, isn't it? You might have seen in auto rickshaws, okay, where horn-shaped metal tubes will be there. Or PP ತಗೊಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So commonly called as megaphones while addressing a group of people. Okay, so ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಕಹಳೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ PP ಉತ್ಕೊಂಡೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Because to address something, ಏನಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ they used to carry out these kinds of instruments. In all such devices, the sound of energy is prevented from spreading out by successive reflection with the help of horn-shaped tubes. You might have seen like this. It will be like this. Okay, horn-shaped tubes. So in the same way, people use horn-shaped metal tubes because commonly called as megaphones while addressing a group of people. Addressing the group of people means ತುಂಬಾ ಜನನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, okay, we use such. In all such devices, the sound energy is prevented from spreading out by the successive reflections. What happens? Successive reflections takes place with the help of the horn-shaped tubes. Okay, this is the practical applications of reflection of sound. And the second one we have written here is ear trumpet or hearing aid. Okay, the next application. So among this, ear trumpet is a device which is used by persons who are hard of hearing. Okay, what happens? You might have seen the people who cannot hear properly, they use such machines. Okay, ear trumpet is a device which is used for the persons who are hard of hearing. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೋ ಪಿಚ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. there is a all India research center, okay, that is in Mysore. All India Research Center, speech and hearing it is. It's one of the free cost hearings. You can suggest to your friends or neighbors, whoever. ಯಾರಿಗಿದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಸೂರ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ and it is from central government. Okay, so you can help the others people or your neighbors, whoever it is, which is really helpful. Okay, its shape is like a trumpet. Okay, its shape will be like trumpet. The narrow end of it's kept in the ear hole of the person. What happens? The narrow end of it will be kept in the ear hole of the person. Okay, this is the second application we have gone through. And the third application we are moving on with sounding board. So what is that sounding board? Sounding board, okay, the sound waves obey the laws of reflection on a plane as well as curved reflecting surface. What happens? The sound waves obey the laws of reflection on a plane as well as curved surface, curved reflecting surface. It obeys on curved reflecting surface also. In order to spread sound evenly in big halls or auditoriums, the speaker is fixed at the principal focus of the concave reflectors. Okay, what happens in auditoriums or big halls? What happens while sounding ad ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು within the hall ಅಂತ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we use some concave reflectors. Okay, you might have seen in auditoriums, even in our school also we have that. So what happens? Instead of getting echo, it will be the clear with the sounding board. So this concave reflector is commonly called as sounding board. Important children, that this concave reflector is commonly called as sounding board and may be asked for 1 marks. Okay, the question may arise like, what is sounding board, or what is the other name for concave reflectors? So it is that the concave reflector is commonly called as sounding board. The sound waves on striking the sounding board get reflected parallel to the principal axis. Okay, what happens? The sound board will be there, the sound waves will be there, isn't it? On striking the sounding board, that get the reflected parallel to the principal axis. It contains some axis will be there. Okay, say for example, either with like this or like this, anything, some axis will be there that will be reflected to the principal axis, which will be the parallel. Okay, so this is regarding of the sounding board. So I hope children you got an idea with sounding board, ear trump and with megaphones. So the next application we are dealing with, that is stethoscope. You children have, everybody have seen this, isn't it? The doctors, where they use a stethoscope to hear the sound of our heartbeat. Okay, so whenever we go to doctor, what they do, they use their earphones, stethoscope, and they check on our body. Why is it so? To hear the sound of our body, that is with the heart or the lungs part where the sound produces. Okay, it is an instrument used by doctors for listening to sounds produced within the body. So that is what I told, within our body, that our body produces sound, isn't it? Especially in the heart and lungs. What happens? Our stethoscope na doctors ಈ ತರ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು they test, isn't it, to hear the sound. In a stethoscope, the sound produced within the body of the patient is picked up by the sensitive diaphragm, and then it reaches the doctor's ears by multiple reflections. So what happens when they listen? Okay, when they hear the sound, that get reflected to the doctor's ears. So that is why this instrument is used by doctors, okay, in order to listen to our body heartbeats or anything, the body formation of the sound. This is how the practical applications are being used by reflections of sound. I hope you children got an idea with this, that is reflections of sound. Again, with the next section, we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is sound, and this is one of the lengthiest chapter. May take some time, but interesting chapter too. Thank you.